Welcome to the Top Tech Picks YouTube channel. Attention sky seekers. Are you itching to capture cinematic drone footage but unsure which quadcopter truly tops crowded skyline? In the next few minutes, we'll unveil the best DJI drone for every flyer. Whether you're a beginner, mastering takeoffs, a creator chasing buttery smooth 4K, or a traveler craving a pocket-sized mini that still packs pro-level sensors, we'll compare range, obstacle avoidance, flight time, and camera specs, then show real-world clips so you can feel the difference. Ready to elevate your aerial storytelling? Stick around and discover the DJI that earns a permanent spot in your gear bag. Number 5. DJI Avata 2, Immersive FPV Flight for Cinematic 4K Footage. The DJI Avatar 2 Fly More combo delivers a heart-pounding first-person view experience designed for anyone craving exhilarating aerial footage. Its compact frame and built-in prop guards make low-altitude flying feel safe and intuitive, whether you're weaving through trees or zooming down a canyon. Outfitted with a stabilized 4K camera and ultra-wide lens, this FPV racer captures incredibly smooth cinematic clips that rival much bulkier quadcopters. Pilots will appreciate the one-battery combo's impressive 20-minute flight time, plus the Immersive Goggles 3 system that places you right in the cockpit. Easy flip and roll maneuvers elevate action shots, while the new motion controller allows for instinctive, gesture-based navigation. No complex stick inputs needed. FAA Remote ID compliance ensures legal, hassle-free operation near populated areas. Overall, the Avatar 2 stands out as a top pick for adrenaline junkies and content creators seeking a compact yet powerful UAV. It balances sleek design, advanced safety features, and professional-grade image quality, making it an exceptional aerial tool for capturing dynamic POV content. Number 4. DJI Mavic 3 Pro, Flagship triple-camera marvel for crystal-clear aerials. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro with DJI RC sets a new standard in professional drone performance. Its standout feature is the Hasselblad 4/3 CMOS primary camera, coexisting alongside two telephoto lenses, granting creators unmatched versatility for capturing sweeping landscapes, detailed long-distance shots, and cinematic close-ups. With an impressive 43-minute flight time and up to 15 kilometers of HD video transmission, this flagship model ensures you never miss a moment of action or subtle light changes during golden hour. The included DJI RC delivers an intuitive, lag-free control experience with its bright touchscreen display and streamlined layout, ideal for both seasoned pilots and those upgrading from entry-level models. Advanced obstacle sensing and automated flight modes, like master shots and hyperlapse, simplify complex maneuvers so you can focus on composition rather than navigation. FAA Remote ID compliance also keeps your flights completely above board. Altogether, the Mavic 3 Pro offers a perfect balance of endurance, image quality, and intelligent features, making it a top choice for filmmakers, photographers, and serious hobbyists seeking the best DJI drone flight experience. Number 3. DJI Mini4 Pro, ultralight, 4K pocket drone with 34-minute flight time. The DJI Mini4 Pro, DJI RC2, redefines compact aerial imaging with its sub-249-gram design and powerful 4K camera. Weighing under 0.549 pounds, this pocket-sized flyer boasts an impressive 34 minutes of flight time, allowing for extended creative sessions without frequent battery swaps. Its 20-kilometer video transmission range ensures a stable, high-definition feed to the controller's vibrant touchscreen, perfect for live framing and smooth piloting. Despite its small footprint, the Mini4 Pro includes omnidirectional vision sensing for obstacle avoidance, a feature rarely found in drones this size, making it ideal for novices and seasoned flyers alike. Intelligent modes such as focus track and quick shots simplify complex shots, enabling breathtaking cinematic moves with minimal input. Additionally, the DJI RC2 remote offers a lag-free connection and ergonomic controls, so capturing sunrise panoramas or action sequences feels intuitive. In summary, The Mini4 Pro strikes an exceptional balance between portability, safety, and professional-grade footage, solidifying its place among DJI's top offerings for travel and everyday use. Number 2. DJI Neo Ultralight 4K Self-Flying Pocket Drone with Subject Tracking. The DJI Neo reimagines the pocket drone experience with its featherweight, 135-gram frame and 4K UHD camera, making it perfect for on-the-go creators. Designed for effortless capture, this self-flying quadcopter launches from your palm and follows you autonomously, ideal for capturing action shots or vlogging without a dedicated pilot. Its advanced subject tracking algorithms ensure smooth framing, while quick shots deliver professional-looking cinematic moves at the tap of a button. Despite its compact size, the Neo features stabilized video via electronic image stabilization, reducing shakes and jitters for crisp footage. Built-in propeller guards add a layer of safety, allowing beginners to fly with confidence in tight spaces. The controller-free design leverages intuitive on-screen controls through the DJI Fly app, so pilots can focus solely on composition. With GPS-assisted navigation and intelligent flight modes, this mini drone offers a seamless user experience, from screen-grab-worthy selfies to scenic aerial panoramas. Overall, the DJI Neo stands out as a top-tier ultralight model for anyone seeking high-quality imagery in a pocketable form. Number 1. DJI Flip Foldable 4K UHD drone with 3-axis gimbal and 31-minute flight. The DJI Flip combines portability and performance in a sub-249-gram design, making it a standout option for aerial creators. Equipped with a 4K UHD camera mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, footage remains smooth even during fast maneuvers. Whether you're capturing landscapes or action shots, the stabilized gimbal ensures razor-sharp video every time. Intelligent flight modes like Follow Me, Point of Interest, and Quick Shots enable dynamic shots without manual piloting. Palm takeoff and auto return provide beginner-friendly operation, so anyone can achieve pro-level composition. The handset uses the RC-N3 controller system, delivering up to 13-kilometer video transmission for clear, low-latency live preview. With up to 31 minutes of flight time on a single battery and GPS-powered navigation, this foldable quadcopter is ideal for travel, vlogging, or real estate footage. Built-in obstacle sensing helps prevent collisions, while compact arms tuck neatly for storage. Overall, the DJI Flip serves as a top-tier pocket drone, balancing extended range, smooth stabilization, and intuitive controls in a lightweight package.